Welcome to Miller Law Office YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic, business planning for the unexpected in Texas. Business planning tends to revolve around where you are right now, where you're going in the near future. One aspect of business planning in Texas that is easily overlooked, however, is what happens to the business after you are gone. Sure, there may be succession plans in place in preparation for your retirement, but what is going to happen if you pass away unexpectedly instead? This was already mentioned if you are planning to retire, but other situations can arise in which you are unable to continue to head up your business. Having someone you trust lined up who is prepared to take the reins should it become necessary will ensure your business stays running during an otherwise chaotic time. All too often, the business owner is the only person who knows all the information really needed to make the business run. It's time to gather up operational information and create policies and procedures for your business that others could use should they be forced to step in and fulfill your role. That just means that you should have a good blueprint for how things work that is accessible to the person or people who will need it if the time comes. To solidify your ideas and ensure that you are planning within the scope of the law, you'll want to sit down with a business planning attorney here in Plano who is familiar with local laws and regulations. Your attorney will help you draw up legal documentation that provides direction for your business when you are no longer able to retain control. It also helps to establish your true intentions and limits the number of challenges others may face later down the road. We pride ourselves on the friendliness of our staff. We are not a stodgy law firm who sees clients as just numbers. We want to get to know you on a personal level, and we want you to get to know us. When you are ready to sit down and discuss your estate planning and elder law needs, contact us by phone and we will schedule your initial consultation.